Here's a script for your video on the Realme P3 Pro 2025 Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the brand new Realme P3 Pro, a device that's making waves in 2025 with its powerful features, sleek design, and aggressive pricing. Let's break it down. Starting with performance, the Realme P3 Pro is powered by the latest flagship chipset, delivering top-tier speed and efficiency. With a high refresh rate AMOLED display, everything looks smooth and vibrant, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just scrolling. The battery life is impressive, with fast charging that can take you from zero to full in no time. When it comes to cameras, Realme is stepping up its game. The P3 Pro features a high-resolution main sensor that captures stunning photos in any lighting condition. The ultra-wide lens expands your shooting capabilities, while the improved night mode ensures clear and detailed shots even in low light. The front camera is designed for high-quality selfies and sharp video calls. On the exterior, the phone has a premium finish that feels great in hand. The bezels are minimal, giving you a more immersive screen experience. Realme has also introduced some fresh color options, adding a stylish touch to the lineup. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, ensuring seamless security. Software-wise, Realme's UI has been optimized for smoother performance and better battery efficiency. It comes packed with customization options, ensuring a personalized experience for every user. Plus, with the latest Android version, you get enhanced security and new features right out of the box. So is the Realme P3 Pro worth it? If you're looking for a powerful smartphone with a stunning display, excellent cameras, and fast charging, this could be one of the best choices in 2025. Realme continues to push boundaries, delivering flagship-like experiences at a fraction of the price. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts on the Realme P3 Pro in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone updates. See you in the next one.